Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Isabella.
She's a Mona Lisa.
I have a channel about lifestyle, tech, and makeup, sometimes beauty. I hope you stay and subscribe and watch all my videos. So today I am so excited, you guys, because we're gonna dive into iOS 14 and how you can make your home screen aesthetic AF. So I know if you have TikTok, I know TikTok is going crazy with people showing their home screens, and I have to say they are all so pretty. I actually learned what I know, some of the things that I know about what I'm going to show you today and how you can make your home screen aesthetic on TikTok, but also other things I learned on my own. I haven't watched any videos on YouTube, so I don't actually know what's out there already. I am sorry if I am repeating things, but I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get started. So to show you, I have my phone right here. I am gonna put a screen right here beside me of my phone and what I do. So basically what I'm gonna show you is how I got my phone to this right here. So we are gonna start. I'm gonna start recording. So if you swipe up, you're gonna see the first page. So the first page, I have all the basic basic apps that the iPhone comes with, but also I have some widgets. So first of all, what are widgets? Basically, you can put, you can select different type of things you can have on your phone. I'm gonna show you right now, but there are so many widgets you can put on your home screen, like the one that I have right here, like battery. That's an example. But also, I'm gonna show you how to make it aesthetic, and how you can put actual photos or wallpapers onto the apps like I have right here. So my phone is a cheetah print aesthetic. I don't know if that's a thing, but I have to give a shout out to the queen of cheetah print, that is Lauren Doan, here on YouTube. And yeah, I got the inspiration from her to do my phone cheetah print, and I really like it. So the first thing I'm gonna show you are the apps that you need to get the aesthetic look. So first you need an app that is called Widgetsmith right here. That is the first app that you will need. The second app is Photo Widget. They're all there. Photo Widget, that is for the photos, and also Color Widgets, and those are for aesthetic pleasing or colored widgets, like the one that I have on the top right here. The first thing that I am going to show you how to use Widgetsmith, and as you may see here, I have a lot of widgets made. So there are 3 different sizes. You have small, medium, and large. So I don't actually use large. I basically use small and mediums because I like the layout more. But basically what you do is you add a small widget. For example, you press on, I'm using small number 5 so you can see what I'm doing. You press it and then you press default widget. You're gonna get so many different settings of things that you could put on your phone, like the time, the date, calendar, reminders, weather, health, tides, astronomy. But on the bottom there is also a photo and album. So what you want to do when you have photo and album, so if you want to have a widget on your phone that it slides photos by itself like an album, you are gonna put photo and album. So let's choose that so you can know. And on the bottom it says selected album, so you need to select an album that you want to have. And I am gonna choose on the bottom, widgets, number 2, widget 2. So then, okay, so then you press it again and you put save, and then it's gonna work. So how do you actually put it on your phone? So now that you have the widgets that you want to put, is press on your screen so for it to jiggle, and then you're gonna press the plus sign on the upper corner, and then it's gonna appear all of your widgets. So I have a lot of apps that I downloaded, like Toontrack, Tangerine, Cube, and I'm gonna show you what all of those are. But for now, I am just gonna show you what we did with Widgetsmith. So I go to Widgetsmith and I press, you can choose the size. So I chose small, and there is my Widgetsmith. So you can also press the widget and put edit widget, and you can select a widget from all of that you have. So as you can see, mine is on small number 5, and that's what we want. So yeah, okay, now that you know how to put Widgetsmith, and you can do that for all the sizes and different things. So to show you, I have 2 different Widgetsmith on this page. I have a calendar, and I have a photo and album. Also, I have the battery. Every cheetah wallpaper that I have on the apps are from Pinterest. You can find them there. There are so many, so pretty. So we are gonna go to photo widget, and as you can see, I already have a photo selected there. You can just press the plus sign and put a photo from your album, from your library. So I already have a photo there. So you just need to press the screen, plus sign, go down, photo widget, and choose the size that you want. So I'm going to choose a small, and there you go. You can do as you wish with your home screen. I am just showing you how you can do it, so you can do your style and whatever you want to do with it. Okay, so I'm going to show you with the one that I already have. So you go to plus sign, the same thing, and go to color widgets, and then there is a widget there we're going to use. We're going to put medium size so I can show you how it looks, and there you go. You can customize the widgets however you want. So I'm going to show you now how you can make your apps look aesthetic. So for that, you're gonna need an app that is on your phone that is called Shortcuts. So basically, when you put shortcuts, it's just like a shortcut to take you to a main app. So it isn't actually the main app that you are customizing. You can actually do that, but there's this option. So what we're gonna do is press the plus sign on the right corner, and we're gonna go to add action, scripting, and open app. So first you want to choose what kind of app you want to open. So I'm gonna choose Instagram. So I chose Instagram, and then we go to the 3 little dots and put the name that you want, Instagram. Then we go to add home screen, we put the name again, Instagram. Then we press the icon, and it's gonna take us to choose photo, and we're gonna choose a photo that we want to select. I'm gonna choose this one right here, like this one. And no, I'm gonna choose another one, and done. Then it's gonna appear in your home screen. So I'm gonna show you what it actually does. So if you press settings, for example, it's actually gonna take you first to the page of shortcuts, but it's gonna reroute you to the actual settings, you know? So yeah, that is how you do it. I'm gonna show you 4 different apps that I think are very cool for widgets. First is an app that is called Motivation. So you press that, and basically what it does is you can make widgets from a lot of from quotes. So I have right here, repeat to yourself, I'm not going to rush anything, not going to stress out or worry about how things will work out for me. Basically, this is the story of my life. I love this quote because basically I stress out about a lot of things and I don't really have to. Yeah. So I like this app. It reminds you of things. The other app that I have is Notes that you already have on your phone, but I liked Notes to actually put my to-do list and all that sort of things. So as you can see, I have my notes right here, and if I press them, so I have right here a to-do list for today. It's very simple: film, homework, and edit. So basically that's what I have to do today. The other app that I wanted to show you is TuneTrack. So basically I am a person that uses Spotify, and it connects you with Spotify, so it shows you what song you recently the songs that you recently listened to on Spotify. Right now it doesn't show anything because I haven't listened to anything. I just put this yesterday, but the name is TuneTrack, and there it is. First is an app that is called Cube. Cube is it's for the girls. It's basically a menstrual cycle calendar, but you can turn it into a widget, and it's so cool. I thought of it, and I don't know, it's practical. So basically you download the Cube app, you put your information about your cycle and everything, and then you go and add a widget, and it's gonna add a cube. It's so cool. And then you add widget, and there it is. You can add a widget, and it tells you how many days till your next period. The last app that I wanted to show you is an app that helps you basically with habits and doing and healthy stuff and changing your lifestyle. Basically, it's called Tangerine. So Tangerine gives you to-dos or habits that you wanna form. For example, you can add a habit, right? And then right here I added drink more water because I really need to drink more water. And that you can press notes, you can put a mood graph, the condition history from the calendar. So basically the same thing. You go to the plus sign and you add the widget, and it's Tangerine. You add it, and there you go. I think it's so cool how you can rearrange apps and make them look as you want, as you please. So I'm gonna show you what my home screen looks like. So basically this is the first page of my home screen. I have batteries, a Widgetsmith, and another Widgetsmith. I also have all my apps with shortcuts and rearranged, and with the wallpaper. Then if you swipe, I have a Widgetsmith, a photo widget, and another Widgetsmith. If you swipe, I have the actual apps, so all of my actual apps. I put a photo widget, a color widget, and a motivation quote. Then if you swipe, I have another photo widget and more apps. I have a lot of apps. I should get rid of some. Then we have motivation quotes, notes, and TuneTrack. This is the tutorial one that I'm gonna delete later, but this is how it looked. I actually like it, how it turned out. We have the Cube, Widgetsmith, color widget, photo widget, and Tangerine. We have everything. Basically, that is how I rearranged and customized and put my phone aesthetic AF. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a really big thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel if you want more content. So thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!